Very good morning dear students. Today we are going to continue our next writing section topic, that is advertisements. Advertisements क्या होते हैं? Advertisements को हम बोलते हैं विज्ञापन. Okay. So first of all we will have to understand what is an advertisement. An advertisement is a public announcement made through a popular medium like newspaper, magazines, television, radio and cinema. What you all see there in your newspaper, in magazine, television, radio and cinema is called advertisement. आप different type of serials watch करते हैं, different type of serials watch करते, mean time आपको ads दिखाई देती हैं. Okay, so that ads are called advertisements. Okay, ads here represents the advertisements is a public announcement. Now let's continue it. How you will say that an advertisement are of two types. Okay, so an advertisement is a play of words. It is a game of words, and so it must be very attractive to catch the eye of the reader. Okay, means if you want to attract the reader with your advertisements, so we can say that it is a play of words. So let's continue it, that advertisements are of two types. How many types? Two types. So let's continue it. First of all, look at here. Here is the description about classified and commercial advertisement. In your 11th class, we will only know about the classified advertisements. First of all, we will have to understand that what are classified advertisements. Okay, so first point is classified advertisements are very cheaper. Okay, and can easily be made following simple formats. First of all, that classified advertisements should be enclosed in a box. सबसे पहले कि क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टीजमेंट्स क्या होती हैं. क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टीजमेंट्स को हमें सबसे पहले किसमें प्लेस करना होता है? शुड बी एनक्लोज्ड इन अ बॉक्स. And classified advertisements should be very well covered in a range of around 50 words. And your marks will be deducted if the student jumps the word limit. Okay, means अगर आपकी word limit according to advertisement नहीं होती, अगर वो ज़्यादा होती है तो आप क्या करेंगे? मीन्स इसमें आपके मार्क्स कट होते हैं. So look at here the different types of advertisements. What kind of advertisements can we write in paper? Means what type of advertisements include in your exams? First, employment. Okay, employment means situation wanted or situation vacant. Matrimonial advertisements are called. Accommodation advertisements are called. Means real estate, vehicles, lost and found reports, missing person, pet or anything. Okay, and tour and travel. Means these are the advertisements include there in grammar topic in writing section. So we will have to understand means the rules of classified advertisements. First of all, we will have to know that what are the advertisements and what are the main points of classified advertisements. If you are writing for the situation vacant means अगर हम किसी भी situation vacant के बारे में write कर रहे हैं at that time कि आपको सबसे पहले किसके बारे में start करना है. As I described you earlier that classified advertisement should be enclosed in a box, begin with wanted or required. Okay, and then you will have to include name of the company. Okay, post and number of vacancies, sex and gender of the candidate. Okay, qualification and experience you can mention there, pay scale and facilities offered, and mode of applying and address to be sent. Means these are the necessary points you will include in your classified advertisements while attempting situation vacant. Situation vacant means अगर आपके स्कूल में या कहीं पर भी कोई वैकेंसी है, आप तब किस तरह के एडवर्टीजमेंट राइट करते हैं. दिस इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ दैट. नाउ लुक एट हियर. मीन्स एडवर्टीजमेंट राइट करते हुए आपको मेनली किन किन पॉइंट्स पर फोकस करना है, किन किन पॉइंट्स पर ध्यान देना है, दीज आर द पॉइंट्स हियर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लेस स्पेस. ओके, लेस स्पेस शुड बी कवर्ड. इकोनॉमिकल, uses words or short phrases. Okay, you need not to write the complete sentence there. Precise, title and contact details are necessary to write. Simple language should be used there and should convey the complete and necessary detail in it. Okay, so advertisements are those who cover less space, those who are economical, which are economical, okay, which covers which uses simple words and short phrases, which are imprecise and which contains the title and the format completely. So let's continue, means the format of the classified advertisements. Okay, means now let's discuss about the format of the classified advertisements. So situation vacant, as I described you earlier, तो हम उसी का ही example ले रहे हैं. First of all, heading should be written there in capital letters, no gap, no para and change in between lines. कोई हमें gap नहीं छोड़ना, कोई para change नहीं करना और हमें proper write करना है. And then we have to contain this wording into a box and means we will have to mention there the content or you can write the body of the advertisement. Clear? Now let's look at here the example. Example is given here. You are the general manager of Regal. Okay, you are the general manager of Regal Hotel, Jamalpur. Okay, so you are looking for a female receptionist in your company. So here is the format given to you. What are the main points required for this? Okay, so we will have to write about the format of classified. So what is the format here? Okay, required female receptionist at the Regal Hotel. Okay, Jamalpur. English speaking should be there. Pleasing personality, computer literacy, experience preferred. Okay, the main and short phrases are used here and the necessary detail is given to you. Must be willing to work in shifts. Age, salary and contact numbers, means the necessary details are given to you, are provided to you. So I think आपको advertisement clear हो गया होगा. And this advertisement is written by an employer who is looking for the services of a person in his organization. So these types of advertisements are called classified advertisements, and this includes in situation wanted. Clear? Situation vacant. Thank you.